Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss some important questions on literature and language. Friends, these questions are going to be important for PGT and TGT aspirants. Actually ये हमारी लिटरेरी सीरीज का थर्ड पार्ट है और इसमें हम जिन क्वेश्चंस की बात करने जा रहे हैं वो हमारे पिछले क्वेश्चंस की तरह कहीं ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज के इस वीडियो में हम जानेंगे कि जो स्कॉलर्स रहे हैं हमारे यहाँ इंग्लिश में और जिनको फादर्स की डिग्री दी गई है, फादर्स की उपमा दी गई है, किसी को फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश पोइट्री कहा गया तो किसी को फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, किसी को नावल, ड्रामा एट्सेट्रा। तो ऐसे स्कॉलर्स को हम जानेंगे हु हैज़ बीन बेस्टोड द ऑनर ऑफ फादर, ओके, ऑफ बीइंग so and so. So the first question of the series today is, friends, who is known as the father of English grammar? फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर का क्रेडिट किसे जाता है? सो फ्रेंड्स, बी श्योर दैट फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर आर फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर हु इज, फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर इज लिंडले मूरे। ओके, लिंडले मूरे has been credited to be the father of English grammar. Next question, friends, who is known as the father of English history? Friends, father of English history, the credit goes to Bede. Okay, Saint Bede. Saint Bede. Next question, friends, in the series is, who is known as the father of English learning? Friends, this question carries the same answer, Saint Bede. Saint Bede. Okay, or okay, now who is known as the father of English literature? Friends, the father of English literature. And the next question, who is known as the father of English language? The credit goes to Geoffrey Chaucer. Okay, friends, who is known as the father of modern English? And father of modern English is none but Geoffrey Chaucer. Okay, Geoffrey Chaucer. Next question, friends, who is known as father of modern English language? Friends, father of modern English language is none but Chaucer, Geoffrey Chaucer. Okay. Next question, friends, who is known as the father of English poetry? The credit of father of English poetry also goes to Chaucer. Okay, Chaucer. No. Just a moment, friends. Father of romantic poetry. Friends, father of romantic poetry is William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth. Okay, and some scholars regard S.T. Coleridge too. S.T. Coleridge. Okay, some scholars regard Wordsworth and S.T. Coleridge, okay, both of them, as to be the father of English. Father of English. What is the question? Father of English, father of romantic poetry. Okay, now who is known as the father of romanticism? Friends, father of romanticism, the credit goes to J.J. Rousseau, Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Okay. Next question is, who is known as the father of aesthetics? Friends, father of aesthetics credit goes to Oscar Wilde. Oscar Wilde, बहुत ही famous scholar Oscar Wilde, father of aestheticism. Okay, and next one is question, friends. Who is known as father of blank verse? फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ ब्लैंक वर्स किसको कहा जाता है? फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ ब्लैंक वर्स कहा जाता है क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो को. क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो, MARLOWE. ओके, क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स. हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ फ्री वर्स पोएट्री? फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ फ्री वर्स पोइट्री कहा जाता है वाल्ट विटमैन को. वाल्ट विटमैन, ठीक, अमेरिकन स्कॉलर. नो फ्रेंड्स, हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ पोएम? फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश पोएम जॉन ऑफ Garland, GARLAND. Okay. Now, who is known as father of American poetry? Father of American poetry, friends, Walt Whitman. The credit of father of English American poetry goes to Walt Whitman. Okay. Now, who is known as the father of tragedy? फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ट्रेजडी द क्रेडिट गोज टू किसको जाता है? एसिकुलस को. एसिकुलस, ओके, एसिकुलस. और यू कैन से सम स्कॉलर्स रिगार्ड द क्रेडिट ऑफ फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ट्रेजडी goes to Socrates. Okay, some scholars regard Socrates to be father of English tragedy, and some scholars regard to be to Aeschylus to be the father of English tragedy. Sorry, father of tragedy. Okay, now who is known as the father of English tragedy? Friends, father of English tragedy and credit goes to Christopher Marlowe. Christopher Marlowe. Okay, Christopher Marlowe, you know well that he was the leader of University Wits and the very important figure, most important one. He was known as the father of English tragedy, and he was the only tragedy writer. Okay. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स. हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ड्रामा? फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ड्रामा किसे कहा जाता है? फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश ड्रामा का क्रेडिट जाता है शेक्सपियर को. ओके, शेक्सपियर को. स्पेलिंग्स यू नो वेल दैट, यू आर वेल अवेयर ऑफ द फादर ऑफ. जस्ट अ मोमेंट फ्रेंड्स. What was the question? Drama. Friends, next question is, who is known as the father of one act play? Friends, father of one act play, the credit goes to Samuel Johnson. Okay, Samuel Johnson. Okay friends, next friends, who is known as the father of mystery? फ्रेंड्स, मिस्ट्री प्लेज के फादर का क्रेडिट जाता है, यू कैन से फादर ऑफ मिस्ट्री प्लेज. फ्रेंड्स, क्रेडिट गोज टू is the famous scholar Edgar एलन पो। ओके, एडगर एलन पो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, अगला सवाल क्या है? हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न थिएटर? फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न थिएटर कहा जाता है हेनरिक इब्सन को। इब्सन को। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, हु इज known as father of English novel? फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश नावल फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश नावल का क्रेडिट जाता है हेनरी फील्डिंग को। हेनरी फील्डिंग को। हेनरी फील्डिंग को। ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रेंड्स, हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियस novel? Stream of consciousness novel you can say, and credit goes to James Joyce. Okay, James Joyce. Friends, who is known as the father of English short story? And next question, who is known as the father of American short story? Friends, short story, father of English short story may be Edgar Allan Poe. Edgar Allan Poe. Okay, the answer of both of these questions is Edgar Allan Poe. But some scholars regard Chaucer to be father of short story. Okay, now next question friends, who is known as the father of American scholarship and education? Friends, father of American scholarship and education, and the credit goes to you can say the writer is, just a moment friends, answer is friends, you can say Noah Webster. Okay, now who is known as the father of detective story? Friends, father of detective story is Edgar Allan Poe. Okay, Edgar Allan Poe. Friends, who is known as the father of English prose? Friends, there are so many scholars who have been credited to be father of English prose, and they are William Tyndale, okay, King Alfred the Great, King Alfred the Great, and Bacon and Wycliffe. Okay, Wycliffe. There are so many scholars like Bacon, King Alfred the Great, William Tyndale, and Wycliffe. These scholars are known to be the father of prose. Okay, father of English prose. Next question friends, who is known as father of essay? And answer is friends Montaigne. ठीक है, मोंटेने। फादर ऑफ प्रोज में मैंने बताया कि विलियम टिंडेल, किंग अल्फ्रेड द ग्रेट, वाइक्लिफ और बैकन, इन सभी को फादर ऑफ प्रोज माना गया, जबकि फादर ऑफ एसे का क्रेडिट जाता है मोंटेने को। और हु इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश एसे? फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश एसे का क्रेडिट जाता है बैकन को, फ्रांसिस बैकन को। फादर ऑफ एसे का क्रेडिट मोंटेन्यू को जाता है, फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश एसे का क्रेडिट बैकन को जाता है, जबकि फादर ऑफ इंग्लिश प्रोज का क्रेडिट विलियम टिंडल को, किंग अल्फ्रेड द ग्रेट को, टिंडल को और बैकन को जाता है। ओके, नाउ व्हिच नोन एज द फादर ऑफ एपिक पोइट्री। फ्रेंड्स, फादर ऑफ एपिक पोइट्री का क्रेडिट जाता है होमर को। होमर इज नोन एज द फादर ऑफ एपिक पोइट्री। ओके, नाउ who is known as the father of criticism? Friends, father of criticism, as I regard father of criticism का क्रेडिट जाता है यू कैन से अरिस्टोटल को।